here at Disney's Coronado Springs Resort, and we are going to give you a tour of a standard view room. So this is going to have 2 queen beds. It will sleep up to 4 adults and has a really great amenities here at the Gran Destino Tower. You can stay in the regular rooms as well at Disney Coronado Springs, but these Gran Destino Tower rooms are going to be just a little bit, have a little bit more amenities. Things are going to be closer to you. Bus stop is right there, which is nice. But both rooms are going to be pretty similar from the tower versus the general Coronado Springs Resort rooms. So you're going to have a walk-in shower, which is nice. You'll have 2 sinks here, which is always good to have, especially when you have a larger group. And then you have the water closet here, so you have that kind of separation between where the toilet and then the other things are in the bathroom, which is great to have when you have a large group getting ready. Over here in the main sleeping area, this is where we have our 2 queen beds. What I honestly love about this room, so simple, but having a full-size mirror over here. Also the space that Disney has underneath the beds. So you basically can roll your luggage and just place it under there, so you can make use of all this space that you have. Great view in the towers because obviously we're up a little bit higher, so give you guys a look at what we can see over here. We have a view of Hollywood Studios, and let's see, usually can we see anything else over there? Not from here, but usually if you go up, you can see Epcot, ton of different things, and definitely recommend if you are staying at Coronado Springs to check out some of the restaurants that are here. So Dahlia Lounge is really great, and you get an awesome view of different places on property. On this side, again, great use of space that they have here with this desk that kind of goes all the way across. Then you have your drawers and the refrigerator here. You'll also have your Keurig over on this side. And then you do have a closet here that when we open it, the light will turn on. And this is where you're going to have a safe as well as some of those appliances like the steamer and then an iron. Coronado Springs Resort is a moderate resort located in the Animal Kingdom Resort area. It offers bus transportation to all 4 theme parks, the water parks, and Disney Springs. Coronado Springs offers many different dining options, including 2 of my favorites, 3 Bridges, as well as Dahlia Lounge. The resort has a ton of different amenities, including 4 beautiful pools, as well as the option to stay concierge level, which is the only moderate resort that offers this. Thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful, please let us know by liking, subscribing, and commenting below. If you're ready to book your next vacation with our assistance, reach out to KMV through the link below.